In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the highlight effect and error messages in Jotform. Let's dive right in and make your forms more personalized and user-friendly. To start, head over to jotform.com and log in with your credentials. If you haven't signed up yet, it's quick and easy to do so. Just make sure you're all set with an account before we proceed. Once you're logged in, navigate to your Jotform account dashboard. From here, select the form you want to modify. Click on Edit Form to open up the form builder. This is where all the magic happens. Now, to find the options we need, head over to the Form Designer. This tool is your gateway to customizing almost every visual aspect of your form. Within the Form Designer, look for the Advanced Designer option. Click on it to open a new set of customization possibilities. Here, let's focus first on the highlight effect. Under the color scheme section, you'll find the option to simulate highlight. Go ahead and enable this. What this does is add a neat effect to your forms, giving users a clear visual cue on the fields they're interacting with. Once it's enabled, look for the little gear icon next to Simulate Highlight. Clicking on this will bring up color customization options. This is where you can have some fun. Choose the color that best fits your form's aesthetic or branding by selecting from the color editor. Once you've settled on a color, make sure to hit Save Changes to apply this new look. Now, isn't that cool? Your form now has a distinct and personalized touch. With the highlight effect set, let's turn our attention to customizing error messages. Head back to the form builder and click on Settings, located at the top bar menu. This is where you'll adjust settings like warning messages, which users see when incorrect information is inputted. Scroll down and you'll notice Show More Options. Click on this to expand additional settings. You'll see an edit button next to form warnings, and that's what we need to click. Here you'll find a list of all potential error messages users might see. Go through these and find any specific message you'd like to customize. Maybe you want to use more friendly language or align the tone with your brand's voice. Once you've updated the messages to your liking, scroll down to the bottom of this page and hit Save Changes. That's it, you've successfully customized both the highlight effect and error messages of your Jotform. These modifications not only enhance user experience but also reflect a more personalized look that can make your forms more engaging and efficient. Thanks for joining me today and have fun customizing your forms.